Tired of your portable DVD player sliding around or blocking your view during car rides? Imagine a simple solution that keeps your device secure, stable, and perfectly positioned for every passenger. The DBPOWER 9.5-inch portable DVD player car headrest mount offers exactly that. An easy way to enjoy movies without distractions or fumbling with your player on bumpy roads. I've tested this mount on multiple trips, and it really stands out. Designed specifically for 9-inch swivel and flip-style portable DVD players, it fits snugly and securely thanks to adjustable straps that wrap around most car headrests. The Velcro is impressively strong, holding the mount steady without any wiggle, even on rough terrain. Plus, the durable nylon construction resists wear and stains, so it looks great trip after trip. What I appreciate most is the side access to ports and connections, which means you can charge or plug in headphones without removing the player from the mount. It's a thoughtful design that keeps everything accessible and hassle-free. If your portable DVD player's screen swivels or flips to tablet style, this mount is likely the perfect match. Just check the measurements and photos to ensure your device aligns with the mount's opening. Protected by US and international patents, this product offers reliability and peace of mind. For anyone who spends time on the road with kids or wants hands-free entertainment, this mount changes the game. It's a smart, affordable upgrade that transforms your car into a comfortable movie theater. Worth a look if you want to enhance your travel experience. Try it when you're ready and see how much easier your journeys become.